watching us.
Yep, I think he's watching us. So this is Fogg Dam, Northern Territory. It's near Darwin, and this is a lovely afternoon in dry season. And on our trip, we just spotted this fella. Has been lying here with a smiling face. Look at his tail. Yep. He's closing his mouth and again he's opening. This is not a very common thing to see in Fogg Dam. For the tourists, so just for your information, it's not allowed to walk on that from dam wall. So that means you can't walk because there is a big saltwater crocodile wandering. There are signs that you please don't walk on the floor, like on the road, on dam wall. This is actually the dam wall. I'm waiting for him. Just wondering whether he will stay here or not. Actually, we don't know.
Go as soon as it gets darker.
Yeah.
Sun is setting.
And we are not sure whether he or she. But yeah, it's a crocodile. It's a freshwater croc. Now gradually, slowly, he's closing his jaws. He's blinking. Oh, now he's moving. He's moving, hopefully. I think he came here
Just for the sun.
just for the sun.
To say hello to us.
Yes, could be. Thanks, buddy, for coming here and say hello.
Sun वहीं आपको.
Yeah, and the sun. You can see the sun is setting. And this fella, I think he is moving, and I don't know what's his plan, whether he's staying or leaving.
Another 5-10 minutes he'll run away.
Hopefully. Looks like he closes his eyes. He has just closed his eyes, having a nap. He's a funny guy. Oh, he opens. His eyes are open again.
sweating.